Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to take your Sony Raw files and make them look a little bit more like Canon's. So if you're like me, you've been shooting on Canon for years and years and you've never really made the switch to Sony just because like the color science, the color profiles in the Canons are just a little bit better. So this is a Sony Raw file and it's a great shot. It's super sharp. Like we can even go in and look at the nose hairs on her nose. Like this is incredible. The only thing that Canon has over Sony, at least right now, is color science. Like her skin tone is green and it's a little bit muted and it's just not that great. And before, I was messing with the white balance, trying to just get the look right. And I get pretty close, but I just couldn't get it to look as good as Canon's. So I spent about a week just going through different photos and settings, and I finally came up with this Sony to Canon preset. And so this is the after. As you can see, like it really brings out the skin tones. Let's zoom in. So it adds yellow to the highlights and reds to the shadows, which is, if you're trying to get like really good looking skin, that's what you want to be doing. And it also, look at the lips, like the lips pop so much. It's before and after. Like the whole shot is great. So if we go down, so I do a little bit of just basic adjustments, add a little bit of vibrance, barely touch the tone curve. A lot of the heavy lifting is done with the HLSL sliders. And then split toning has a huge impact on it. Like even though it's subtle, it's still like really big. And then I add a little bit of sharpening, enable profile correction. So if you notice what I'm doing before and after, it's kind of getting rid of the distortion. I add that to pretty much every photo. So I add this to the preset. And then camera calibration is where I do the rest of the lifting. So you can see that rose is really popping back there. Let's go to another photo in the same series. Again, it's a great shot. It's a great model, super sharp, like tag sharp, but it's dull and it's just, man, it's just uninspiring. Like, you see this photo, I really don't even want to work on it because I know I have to like color correct the skin. But with this preset, you add it and it's just like, man, it looks so much better. So much, like if you told me this was shot with a Canon, I would totally believe you. Like this looks like a Sony and this looks like it was shot on Canon. Let's go to a guy. So I think this was shot outside, but you can see like all the green on his skin tones, which could be because he's outside next to green. It's just reflecting onto his skin, but it doesn't really matter because this will fix it and get rid of it and just makes it look more natural, more healthy. And so not only am I switching the skin tones, but I want to show you guys blues because I changed the blues too. This isn't something like the specific to Canon, but I changed the blues to kind of complement skin tones. So it makes her skin tone like pop even more. And so this is a great shot. Again, just like, one click and you're done. This is a photo of me. And the only reason I add it is because I'm extremely pale and my skin just kind of looks lifeless and dull already just because I'm so white. But with this preset, it makes me look like I've actually been in the sun for at least like an hour, yeah, it just looks a lot better. And this photo, I wanted to show you this photo because it's actually taken on a Canon. So this is a CR2 taken on a Canon 5D Mark III. And it's a good photo. It's in the shade, so it's a little desaturated. And you can even add this preset to a Canon shot. And again, it just enhances skin tones, changes a little bit of the greens, just makes everything just pop and look better. Here is a JPEG file. So I was sent this file about a year ago. It was for Alamo Outdoor Co. They wanted a magazine cover. And so I was given this photo, they didn't have the raw, and I actually started with this preset, which, it helped a little bit, but then I ended up, taking it a step further and building on this preset and came up with this preset, Madison 2, which I'll be releasing this preset in a video soon for free, so make sure to subscribe. It's my shameless plug of the video. And yeah, so if you notice that this one has a plus next to it, that's because if you right click, you can apply on import. So every single file that gets imported to Lightroom has this preset added to it. Like that's how much I use this preset. So make sure to subscribe. I'm releasing a whole bunch of presets for free. If you want this preset, there's gonna be a download link in the description. So just go there and download it. And to import it, you just wanna click right here, import presets, go to your downloads or wherever you download it to, click on it, import, and that's it. All right. If you guys have any questions or comments, just let me know down in the comments section of this video. Thanks. Bye.